Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft online. First, ensure you own a legitimate copy of either Minecraft Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. A stable internet connection is also crucial for a smooth experience. Understand that Java and Bedrock editions have different methods for joining online servers, which we will cover. Getting these basics right sets you up for successful multiplayer adventures. To join a server in Minecraft Java Edition, start by launching the game and selecting Multiplayer from the main menu. Next, you'll need to add a new server. Click Add Server, and then enter the server's IP address or domain name into the designated field. Once you've added the server, select it from your list and click Join Server to connect and start playing with others. It's a straightforward process to jump into a new online world. For Minecraft Bedrock Edition, launch the game and head to the Play tab. From there, select the Servers tab to view a list of official featured servers you can join. If you have a specific server in mind that isn't listed, you can add a custom one. Simply click Add Server, then input the server's address and its unique port number. After adding, you can select it to join and explore with friends. When playing Minecraft online, safety is paramount. Always choose reputable servers to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience. It's crucial to never share any personal information, like your real name or location, with strangers you meet in the game. Remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. By following these tips, you can have a fun and safe time exploring the vast online worlds of Minecraft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.